Hello YouTube, Manly from Unlock Base here. Today I will show you how to restore the firmware on your Samsung Galaxy device. It doesn't matter whether it's a phone or tablet, as long as it's a Samsung Galaxy, this will work. This guide will work. You may want to do this, let's say if you unlock your phone through our remote unlocking program, also known as the white glove program. With some phones you may have to root it before you can unlock it through the remote unlocking program, and by the time your phone has been unlocked you may want to restore the firmware, unroot the phone, then restore the firmware. So, and this guide will help you do just that. Now, of course, you're gonna need the device. You'll also need the appropriate USB cable. All of the links that you need in order to download the files will be in the written guide, which supplements this video. Now, go ahead and go into the Unlock Base website, and then let's go ahead and refresh this. And then you're gonna want to go ahead and download the driver pack, which basically allows your computer to communicate with the phone. So you're gonna need to download that. I already downloaded it, so I am not gonna do that again. And then you need to go into samsung-odin.com and download the Samsung Odin, which will allow us to flash the firmware to the phone. And then we'll need to download Freeha, which basically allows us to download the firmware from the Samsung server. You're gonna need to basically unzip them. If you don't have a program to unzip the files that you downloaded, I'd recommend downloading 7-zip. And so yeah, go ahead and select all three, right click, choose 7-zip, and then extract files. So it's gonna extract all of those files with its respective directory. So once you got all of those extracted, you're gonna need to go ahead and go into the Unlock Base driver pack. Go ahead and click on the Samsung directory, and then go ahead and click the only file in there, which is Samsung USB driver for mobile phones. So go ahead and press yes. Go ahead and just click next twice and then install. It's going to go ahead and install the drivers. Once the installation is done, go ahead, click finish, and then go ahead, close all of this window, and then go ahead and go into Freeha, the one that you extracted earlier, and then go ahead and run it. Okay, so from here, enter the model number of your phone. So in order to, if you don't know what's the model number, you can either check on the phone by going to settings, and it should say right here. So in my case, it's GT9505. If not, you can also check by, well, if your phone has a removable battery, you can take out the battery, and then, well, it says right there, you can see the model over there. Once you got that model number entered, for the CSC, you'll want to go ahead and go into some mobile's website, and then under model number, the one that you entered here, go ahead and type in the same thing over here. So yes, GTI9505, because that's what I have. So I'll go ahead and type that in and press enter, or just click search if it doesn't wanna enter, and then go ahead and choose your model. And then from here, Select the country that your phone was from, the country and the network that this phone was from. So in my case, this Samsung Galaxy S4 that I have here is a unlocked model, and it's from the Philippines. So I'll select the Philippines, and then I'll choose open line. For the record, open line means unlock here in the Philippines, so I'll select that. So of course you can tell, let's say if you're from Poland and your phone is from the Orange network, you select that. So yes, so just select your country and the network that this phone was from. So go ahead and select that. And then from here, go ahead and just click the very first one. Usually that's the latest firmware. And then from here, well, look for the product code. So my product code is XTC. So I'll go ahead and go back to Freeha and type that in. So XTC. And then I'll go ahead and click on check update. Okay, so once it's done, go ahead and click download. And then go ahead and, well, navigate where you want to save it. So to make it easier, I'll just save it on the desktop to make things a bit easier. And then go ahead and click save. I already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna do this again. So go ahead and download the firmware. Once it's done, you should have this zip archive with the firmware inside it. So go ahead and extract it using 7-zip or any other program that you use to unzip zip files. So yes, I already got it extracted here. Okay, the next step here is go ahead and turn your phone off. You can either turn it up normally, or you can go ahead and just pull out the battery. Either way works. And then press volume down button and power. If you have a Samsung phone without the home button, such as the Galaxy S8, the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy S10, then or the Galaxy J8, you may want to go ahead and just press volume down, the Bixby button, and then go ahead and press power until it vibrates, and then you're gonna see the screen here. Warning, a custom ROM can cause critical problems, so just go ahead and press volume up, and you are in download mode. Now go ahead and grab your USB cable and hook your phone up to the computer's USB port. And if you do so, connect it directly to your computer's USB port. Don't use a USB hub, because a USB hub can cause problems. The next step here is go ahead and open up the Odin folder, and then go ahead and press Odin exe. You'll get this dialog box, so go ahead and just press OK. And then from here, go into options, and then go ahead and click none erase, and then go ahead and press AP. Now go ahead and select the firmware that you extracted earlier. Make sure the file name ends up with .tar.md5. That's the one you want to select. And then from here, the program is gonna be unresponsive for a little while, since it's reading the file, and it's a very huge file, so it's gonna take a while, like maybe 1 minute or 2 tops. So once that's done, the program's gonna be responsive again. So once the program is responsive again, we're gonna go ahead and click start. As soon as you click start, there's gonna be a progress bar here, so it means that the firmware has begun flashing. Okay, once it's done, it's going to reboot. If you are still stuck on the Samsung logo after 10 minutes, it shouldn't take this long, so you're gonna want to go ahead and press volume up, home, and power. Or if you have one of those newer phones without the home button, press the Bixby button in place of the home button. So go ahead and press those three buttons until the screen goes black. And then let go of the power button. It's gonna vibrate in reboot. And then from here, it should say recovery booting with a small blue text on the top left corner. Okay, from here, you're gonna want to go ahead and use the volume down button to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, and then press the power button to select it, and then press the volume down button to select yes, delete all user data. So once that's done, go ahead, press the power button to select it. It's gonna go ahead and wipe the phone's memory. And then once that's done, go ahead and press the power button to reboot. From here, it shouldn't take that long before from here to the welcome screen. Okay, once you get to this screen, you can go ahead and set this up just like a new phone. You successfully restored the firmware on your Samsung Galaxy device. So as you can see here, if you rooted your phone before, well, you can see that we don't have root anymore. So there you go. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching.